Derek Jeter is baseball in the purest sense of the word.
It means to baseball, you know, what Michael Jordan meant to basketball.
What's all good about the game?
Class, leadership, righteousness, a whole lot of good things, man.
Just an iconic figure. He transcends baseball.
He's just one of those perfect persons.
It doesn't matter what state you're from. It doesn't matter what country you're from. You all root for the captain.
Number 2, Derek Jeter.
You can make it in this city. You can make it anywhere. He made it look easy.
Jeter with one of the most unbelievable plays you will ever see.
Going from shortstop to the first base line and catching it and throwing it backhand to the catcher for the tag.
When he dove head first into the stands to catch that foul ball.
Oh, what a play by Derek Jeter!
I thought, my God, he's going to kill himself.
My favorite moment.
3,000 with an exclamation point!
And as Derek comes around second base, he did something he never does on a baseball field. He smiled.
He is a hero of mine, even though he's younger than me.
He's going to stay with us just like the great ones have generations ahead of him.
You've been everything we ever hoped for. Good luck to you. There'll never be another one like Derek Jeter.